Hey everyone, Lennon here with LFI Digital Marketing, and I just want to go over a few tools for your search engine optimization that you can use today. So the first one's going to be Google Analytics. This you can install on whatever website you have, whether it's Squarespace or WordPress, System ClickFunnels, anything like that. So this is the most basic one that you should be installing because it tracks website traffic and provides insights on their behaviors like engagement, pages viewed, etc. The next one is the Google Search Console. So this monitors a website's performance and search results that includes keyword rankings. Next one is going to be Ahrefs. So this provides analysis of backlinks, keyword rankings, and competitor research. And all of these will have links below in the description. The next one is SEMrush. It offers keyword research, site audit, and competitor analysis tools for SEO and PPC ads. So pay-per-click ads, in case you don't know what that means. Moz Pro. This one includes a suite of SEO tools with link building, keyword research, and site optimization. And you got the Google Keyword Planner. So it's a Google Ads tool for planning and keyword research on search campaigns, but you could also use it for your website, not just for paid ads. Next one is Screaming Frog, a website crawler that analyzes website structure and content for SEO. Alright, and that's all I have for you today. If you want to go more in depth on any of these, leave me a comment below. Hit the like button, subscribe so you know about the next video that's coming up. And I'll see you next time.